Good morning, class. I hope you all are well, staying safe. Okay, class, write down classwork. Put the date 18/8/2020 on page number 39. Today we will start a new lesson, that is lesson number 4, pothole. Now, class, tell me, what is pothole? Have you ever seen a pothole? We all have seen it. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है pothole क्या होता है? जब हम रोड्स में जाते रहते हैं, क्रॉस करते रहते हैं या गाड़ी चलाते रहते हैं तो बीच बीच में कहीं कहीं पे गड्ढे हो जाते हैं गाड़ियों की वजह से, या रोड सही से नहीं बनी हो उसकी वजह से गड्ढे हो जाते हैं, राइट? दैट इज़ कॉल्ड अ पॉट hole. And in English we will say a hole in the surface of a road that is formed by traffic and bad weather. Okay, let's start the chapter now. Priya looked out of her bedroom window. Another car was stuck in the road. The driver, an older man, were changing one of the front wheels. Priya is the main character of the story. Priya looked out from her bedroom window. There was a car who stuck in the road. The driver and the older man were changing the tires, the front tires of the car. Priya watched as the men worked in the blazing sunshine. A woman and 2 children were sitting beside the road under a tree, sheltering from the sun. Priya watched as the men. प्रिया अपने रूम से बाहर देखती है और देखती क्या है, एक कार जो है वो फंसी हुई है रोड पर. ड्राइवर एंड द ओल्डर मैन, ड्राइवर और एक बूढ़ा आदमी जो है गाड़ी के आगे फ्रंट टायर्स को चेंज कर रहा है. प्रिया वॉच्ड एज द मेन वर्कड इन. प्रिया देखती है इतनी कड़कती हुई धूप में जो है वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, मेन लोग काम कर रहे हैं. अ वुमेन एंड 2 चिल्ड्रन वर सिटिंग बिसाइड द रोड अंडर अ ट्री, शेल्टरिंग फ्रॉम द सन. एक वुमेन और 2 बच्चे जो है रोड के पास में बैठे हुए हैं जहाँ पे ट्री का शेल्टर है, अपने आप को सन से बचाने के लिए. Priya switched on her computer. She opened her calendar and began making notes on a sheet of paper. Priya opened her computer and calendar. She started making notes on a sheet of paper. So many accidents in just 2 weeks, said Priya to herself. Something must be done. The road is too dangerous for the children of the kindergarten next door. Priya is talking to herself. She said, so many accidents in just 2 weeks. Something has to be done on the road, otherwise it will be dangerous for kindergarten children. Kindergarten school is that school where students from children from 3 to 5 years study. Kindergarten वो स्कूल होता है जहाँ पे 3 to 5 years के बच्चे जाते हैं. Priya looked out of the window. The men had fixed the wheel and were wiping their hands on some old rags. The woman and children were inside the car. Soon the car drove away. Priya looked out from her window. The car has been fixed and the driver and the old man were cleaning their hand with some old rags. Old rags means पुराने कपड़े या फिर आप बोरा बोल सकते हैं. The woman and children were inside the car. Now the woman and the children sat inside the car. Soon the car drove away. The big pothole in the road, like a gaping mouth, waited darkly for its next victim. Like a gaping mouth means एक open mouth, waited darkly means अपने next victim के लिए वो pothole तैयार है. Priya returned to her computer and wrote a letter. A week went by, 3 weeks went by. Priya waited every day for a reply to her letter. No reply came. Every day Priya made a new entry in her accident log. Priya returned back to her computer and started writing a letter. 1 week passed by, then 3 weeks passed by, but no reply came from the higher authorities. Okay, now Priya every day started making a new entry in her accident log. Entries were like this: auto stuck, cyclist fall into the gutter, man injured, baskets fall into road, lorry has puncture. एक बार ऑटो स्टक हो गई, एक बार साइकिलिस्ट जो है गटर में गिर गए, मैन इंजर्ड, baskets fall into the road, lorry has punctured. That's enough, said Priya to herself. I am not waiting a moment longer. Now, Priya said, that's enough. I can't bear now. I can't stay a moment longer now over here. Now, Priya found a basket and filled it with soil from her garden. She packed some compost into a bag. She carefully dug out a few small flowering shrubs and put them in a bag. She filled an old watering can with water. Then she found 3 long lengths of wood and some board pins. Now, Priya found a basket. Now, Priya got a basket and filled it with soil from her garden. Soil means मिट्टी वो basket में भरती कहाँ से? From her garden. She packed some compost into a bag. Some compost means खाद अपने बैग में जमा करती है. She carefully dug out a few small flowering shrubs and put them in bag. Means small little flowers. Those small little plants she take out. Then she found 3 long lengths of wood and some board pin. 3 long lengths of wood means 3 long लकड़ियाँ लेती हैं लॉन्ग लेंथ की और सम बोर्ड पेन्स. ओके क्लास, टिल हियर आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. नाउ इट इज़ योर होमवर्क. रीड द चैप्टर and underline the hard words in it. Okay class, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you class.